All right, there's Jordan, age 11, in 2011, next to his 1988 Ford F-150 he just got. Now, he bought this with his own money. He bought the truck from my cousin. Technically, I call him cuz. He's married to my cousin. More on that later. He's out there kind of cleaning it, detailing it, washing it up. You know, he's just so happy that day. And he's always upgrading it, figuring things out, pulling interior out. He also, at age 14, bought this 1986 Mustang GT in mint condition. Maybe another video on that. He got it when he was 14. You can see his picture when he was turned 16 there to the right. So he's always out working, making money in the shop, cleaning engines, doing some detail work. It just anything he can do to make an extra buck, right? So he's out there. He loves to paint an engine, get it cleaned up too. You know, Cameron liked to always help. At age 4, there's Cameron working on a 65 Mustang, and Jordan helped as well. There's the boys sitting there, you know, reaping the benefits of their labor in Austin in the back. There they are working with Goldie. And it looks like Cameron working on his Zephyr that we still have. And Jordan is actually working on a Falcon for a friend of ours that's kind of a customer. And then here you can see we're in the shop. There they are, older now. Cameron's 22, Jordan's 26. Always helping out, doing things around the house. So we're kind of using this truck, and I got an idea for a graphics package coming up. And let me know what you think. Haven't applied it yet, but if you're interested in seeing it, hey, give us a comment. Let me know. Got a lot more coming up, and I've got a lot more videos full size if you want to go click and subscribe and see that kind of thing.